In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use skill points in EAFC Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage your players and use skill points to level up their abilities. So first, head over to your players section, and whenever you tap on any player that you would like to upgrade, you will see these three main options. What you have to do is train and rank up the player. You can also go to the details tab if you would like to check the current abilities and skills that you have. So whenever you choose the option to train a player, you will be able to rank them up with duplicates. So you will see the current level that they have here, and you can input duplicates to boost the level. You can also use the auto select function to automatically choose from these duplicates, and whenever you choose train, they will level up, possibly, if you achieve the necessary amount of experience. And whenever they level up, you will be granted skill points. So as you can see, you got +1 skill points in this scenario. Now, by tapping the option to use the skill points, you will be able to level up the abilities. So now you can either go to the details tab for that specific player or just tap on skill points. And now you can spend them on abilities like dexterity and so on. Each specific type of player will have a skill that they exceed at, and it's the one that you should focus. So you will be able to explore further skills when you reach level 3 on specific abilities. So for example, to unlock this one at the bottom, you need dexterity level 3. So you spend 3 points in dexterity, and afterwards you can level that one. For this video, I'm not going to give you specific instructions on the best skills for every single player out there, so you should do your own research. Whenever you go to the details page of a specific player, you can see the skills that you currently have active. You will find the option to train them more and to rank up. And as long as you use the skill points that you acquired by training them, you will be able to level up their abilities. I hope I was able to help you on how to use skill points in EAFC Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.